Hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the highlights for Hot Wheels 2022 mainline case D. Yes it is. There you go. So we're going to start with this one, the GT-Scorcher. Actually this is a repeat in case D, coming from the case C, but that is gorgeous. Kasiloose. There you go, GT-Scorcher with a mismatched wheels, Manfredi, Vaughn, even there's a Rio at the side there. Beautiful, look at that. In case you're wondering, you can push the, there you go, for going through the loops. But that is awesome. Look at the sharp lines, there's the silhouette. Wow. Maybe one of the best fantasy castings around. Looks good. Yes it is. Awesome. So that's the GT-Scorcher. GT-Scorcher. Next we're going for the Raijin Express. Look at that. Always comes with a chrome and now it's blue tinted. Yup. Kasiloose. There you go, the Raijin Express. Beautiful graphics on the side there. Yup. And it's under the art cast now. So we got the eye at the top there. Wow. Wow. So the blue tinted part is the top, but not on the bottom here. See that? This is just a normal chrome. This one, beautiful, nice. Yes it is. This is awesome. Yep. So that's the Raijin Express. A new casting, Coupe Clip. 101 Experimodus, and as you can see, it's a key clip, key holder. Yup, very simple. Kasiloose. There you go. Now this is just a hunk of metal. Top metal, down metal, no wheels at all, no interior. Yup. 2021 new casting, and you put the clip, the key clip here. You can dangle it like this. That is cool. The shape there, and it's heavy. Yup, this is pure Zamac heavy. Coupe Clip. Interesting. Yes it is. And it rolls. No, not really. There you go, the Coupe Clip. Next we're going for the return of the U.S.S Enterprise NCC 1701. Look at that. Under the screen time, Star Trek. The bottom there. Wow. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. The metal part is the saucer. The down there. This is the plastic. The thruster is plastic. Nice. For those who collect Star Trek. Yup, comes with a stand. Now the stand shows hexagon, but it's just it's not going to really connect. There you go. That is cool. Oopsie doopsie. So it's not really going to, yeah. Boldly go where no man gone before. Nice. For those who collect Star Trek, this is it. From the DKs. Yup. And yup. So that's the U.S.S Enterprise. Moving on. Mercedes-Benz 500E in red. Wow, this looks cool. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Some of you may not like the 5-spoke, but it looks there. The front there. Wow. The grill, the headlights, even the focus it a bit. Come on, focus. Got a lights wiper maybe. It's kind of weird. This casting is the bomb. Yep, got the Hot Wheels on the license plate there. Come on, focus it a bit. Seriously? Doesn't want to focus? There you go. Nice. Awesome. Yep. Maybe I didn't show it to you guys. Let's check the base. It's kind of hard to see the numbers, so it's what's the casting gear? The casting gear is I can't see it. It's quite doesn't really shows because of the paint. Okay, oh well, because this is not a new casting, right? Definitely not a new casting. So moving on, we're going to have this guy here, the 2009 Ford F-150 in the Goodyear liveries. Wow. Not really keen on the wheels there, but this looks good. Kasiloose. There you go. F-150 double cab with a chrome interior, grills, Goodyear on the side, Goodyear on the back there. Nice blue, beautiful. So this, as you can see in the below there, 2008 and a retool in 2012. Yep. You guys can comment what the retool, what's the difference between the 2008 and 2012 casting. This is beautiful. A little bit bare on the front there. Yeah. Goodyear Ford F-150, which is awesome. Let's just check. Nice. Next one. New casting for 2022, the Count Muscula. Look at that. That is crazy looking under the HW Cream garage. Yup, Kasiloose. There you go. Using the Trap 5. It looks okay, but you can see the pin strut at the hood there on the side. The headlights is part of the window piece. Spoiler back. Wings at the back there. Wow. There's an interior. Yup, but it's kind of smoky, but you can see the interior. This is 2021. See that? Wow. And for going through the loops, you can adjust the front part here. How do we put it back? Yeah, there you go. That is awesome. What car does this reminds you of? Not really an expert on muscle cars, but I leave it to you guys to comment in the comment section. Yup, but that is beautiful. Count Muscula. Nice. And we've come to the last three, which is going to be, let's take this one, the classic TV series Batmobile tuned version. Look at that. That is cute. Kasiloose. There you go. That is cool how they do it, right? Beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. 2021. Still mentioning classic TV series Batmobile. That is awesome. Yep. Batmobile comes in triples. This is cool. Nice. Classic TV series Batman. Look how small it is compared to the others. So push it a little bit back there. Yes. Coming to the last two. 63 Studebaker Champ. So this is the casting used for the Super Trajan in case D. Yep. Beautiful. Kasiloose. There you go. Got all the sponsors there. The Goodyear, Studebaker, 63. This is not a new casting, right? It has been retooled, so it looks like a separate piece of the grille and the body there. Maybe the grille may be part of the base. There. That is awesome. 2021. It says 2021, a new casting, but I don't believe this is a new. This is a retooled one. You guys can comment down below what is the difference, right? This looks awesome, just on the side and on the top. Nothing on the front, nothing on the back. That's nice. 63 Studebaker Champ. And the last one, new color for the Nissan Leaf Nismo RC02, first appeared in 2021 main lines. Now it's going to repeat in 2022. Kasiloose. There you go. The Nissan Intelligent Mobility. One thing I want to know, if look at that, it's not symmetrical. Different side. Yup. Got a black on the one side and nothing on the other side, just the wording. That is cool how they do it. But still, yeah, the front part is kinda obviously empty. Also the back part, so a little bit of a it's okay, but it's cool how they do the symmetrical liveries there, different on both sides. Nice. And there you go, the last one, Nismo, Nissan Leaf Nismo, and that's the highlight for the case. I might be missing some of the interesting casting there, but hey, maybe I'll do it in case E Casio. So what you guys think? Predominantly red here. Yep. So subscribe, notification bell button, share everyone, give a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below. Thumbs up is important. Comment down below. Yes, it is. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.